best naked motorcycles I've ever ridden. It's so easy to ride this bike. This is a very satanic motorcycle because you need a lot of balls to ride this bike. It's scary to ride this fast, but otherwise it's such a nimble and easy motorcycle to ride. 215 horsepower on a pretty naked motorcycle. One thing I can tell for sure, it doesn't heat up as much as the Panigale V4. Oh my god! Oh, it's scary to ride this bike fast. You need to be Superman to ride this bike. It is power wheeling. Oh. This is one of the most brutal machines on the planet. This is a very satanic motorcycle because you need a lot of balls to ride this bike. 215 horsepower on a naked motorcycle. Just imagine what it feels like. Exhaust, eh? Stock, wow. This is a stock machine. It is louder than the newer generation motorcycles like the new Panigale V4. Wow, this is a mad machine. I can already feel what kind of a monster this will be. Oh my god. This is mad. Oh my god. This is scary to ride fast. Oh my god, it's literally pulling me back. Oh. This motorcycle is not for the faint-hearted. You need to be really experienced to ride this motorcycle. It's not everybody's cup of tea. 215 horsepower on a pretty naked motorcycle. Of course, it has all the electronics you can think of: quick shifter, wheelie control, slide control, engine braking control, traction control, power modes. It's got the electronics to keep the wheel down, because if you switch off the wheelie control, this will be up in the air. This will be riding on one wheel most of the time. It's scary to ride this bike fast. The way this thing just pulls you is insane. It's pretty easy to ride this motorcycle. If I have to tell you this, see, you can ride it. You don't have to always push it. When you push it, it is insanely scary to go fast. But if you're just cruising around also, it's a very easy bike to live with. And one thing I can tell for sure, it doesn't heat up as much as the Panigale V4 because it doesn't have the fairings. It's a naked motorcycle, so it gets a lot more air. It definitely does not heat up as much as Panigale. I mean, I don't feel heat right now. Power wheeling. Oh my god. With the electronic system, you need to be Superman to ride this bike. Is another level. It's mad. It's so easy to ride this bike. I mean, of course it's scary to ride this fast, but otherwise it's such a nimble and easy motorcycle to ride. Farhan, NAFS Motors. NAFS Motors, Farhan. Good. हाँ क्या हुआ इधर? Oh, okay. Oh, what a machine this. What a machine, bro. Mad. Oh. Let me take a walk around the motorcycle. Looks so beautiful in this single-sided swing arm. And this is a stock exhaust. Let me show you what it sounds like. Oh, this is a mad machine. You gotta be skilled to really enjoy this motorcycle properly. And it's easy to ride this bike. It's not like it is difficult, it is easy, but it is insane and scary to ride this motorcycle fast and push it to its limit. What a mad machine. One of the best naked motorcycles I've ever ridden. Very enjoyable. Oh. What a bike, bro. Amazing. सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा मुझे इसमें आया था. वो क्या खींचते हैं? You have to be crouched down properly. नहीं मेरा नहीं उड़ता, तुम्हारा हेलमेट उड़ता रहेगा. मेरा आ रहा ही है, सो अच्छा हेलमेट मेरा. बहुत इजी है चलाने, बट इसे फास्ट चलाने स्टैमिना स्किल पूरा है ना. वो फर्स्ट गियर में मैं रेड लाइट करने जा रहा हूँ, व्हीली ऊपर, व्हीली कंट्रोल रखो भी ऊपर लिफ्ट हो रही है. मैड इट इज.